This is question number 1 from exercise 12.1, which is of linear programming problem. So the question is maximize z is equal to 3x plus 4y subject to constraints x plus y less than or equal to 4, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. See, out of that remain all the problems from that exercise. So this is very easiest and this is very basic problem, and you can identify this is the problem related to bounded region. Okay, so first of all, so for these type of problems we have to consider first given objective function is given objective function. See, whatever they will give z value like equation, that only will consider as objective function. So given objective function, that is z is equal to 3x plus 4y, and again we will write the constraints. So given constraints are so whatever they will be, that we have to write. Those are x plus y less than or equal to 4, x greater than or equal to 0, and then y greater than or equal to 0. So these are the constraints they have given. See, after that first we have to consider the first inequality, that is, now consider, so x plus y less than or equal to 4. See, after that take x plus y equal to 4. If we take x plus y equal to 4, from this equation we have to find points. Why? Because from that line, if you want to draw from that equation, if you want to draw a line, so we need points. So we have to find the points first. So by using this method, that is x and y we have to take. If x equal to 0, okay, if x equal to 0, y value will become 4. If y equal to 0, x value will become 4. Therefore points are 0 comma 4 and 4 comma 0. Okay, these are the points we will get. See, after finding points we have to do checkpoint. So checkpoint is very necessary to identify region lies below the off plane or upper off plane, left off plane or right off plane. So checkpoint is very important. So for that purpose, checkpoint we will consider 0 comma 0 as checkpoint. Consider 0 comma 0 as our checkpoint. See, that 0 comma 0 we have to substitute in given inequality, not equation. We have to substitute in inequality. So it will become 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 4. 0 less than or equal to 4 we got. So whenever we get 0 less than or equal to 4, that means this is true. True means what we have to do? Shade the region towards checkpoint you have to take. Shade the region towards checkpoint. For example, if we get false means shade the region away from the checkpoint, or we can write shade the region opposite to checkpoint also we can write. So this is about first inequality. Next, second inequality, and then third inequality. See, as they given x greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0, we know that x equal to 0 is a straight line which is on y axis. Next, y equal to 0 is a straight line which is on x axis. So like this we can write. See, after that, after finding points we have to mention in the graph. Okay, so the graph I will draw here. Okay, so this is x-axis, a positive x-axis and negative x-axis. So negative y-axis and then positive y-axis. Scale also we have to consider in the question. Why? Because these are the questions for 6 marks, so everything should be perfect. So scale I will consider on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Similarly, on y-axis also 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Now what are the line equations they have given is, first one x plus y less than or equal to 4 andre x plus y equal to 4. So from that we have to write 0 comma 4, 4 comma 0. So first of all I will take, this is 1, 2, 3 and then 4. So similarly this is 1, 2, 3 and then 4. See, as they mentioned 0 comma 4 we got points. So first one, this is 0 comma 4 and this is 4 comma 0. We have to join these 2 points. If we join these two, okay, so if we join we get a straight line like this. Okay, so that line name also we have to mention, that is x plus y equal to 4. See, after that we have done checkpoint. Now that checkpoint we have to do here. Checkpoint is nothing but we have to identify the region, whether below half plane or upper half plane. For that purpose, what we have considered checkpoint is 0, 0 we have to take. So 0, 0 we have taken. So checkpoint also we got true. True means towards the checkpoint. So for this line we have to draw towards the checkpoint like this. Okay. So this is about the region for this line. Similarly, next line is x equal to 0. X equal to 0 means what? Y axis. So this is y axis. Next, y equal to 0 means x axis. This is y equal to 0 line. As they mentioned, both are greater than or equal to 0. That means this is x equal to 0. No? X greater than 0, y greater than 0. Nothing but in which quadrant x and y both are greater than 0? First quadrant. That means combination of x greater than 0, y greater than 0, and this line is nothing but this region. Okay, so this is the region where x is greater than 0, y greater than 0, and then x plus y is also less than or equal to 4. So after identifying the region, we have to mention this as feasible region. We have to mention it as feasible region. I think up to here everything is clear. Now see, after identifying whether it is bounded or unbounded, so if as it is bounded, why? Because it is closed figure. After identifying bounded figure, we have to identify the corner points of that figure. So what are the corner points? One is 0, 0, another one is 0, 4, 0, another one is 0, 4. So therefore, so these points we can mention it as like A, B, and then C. So we can write like closed figure ABC is our feasible region. Now what is the use of this feasible region? Is from that feasible region only we have to take corner points. So nothing but serial number is nothing but number of corner points we got 3 corner points. After that, what are the corner points we have to mention? Those corner points are first one 0, 0, next is 0, 4, and then 4, 0. See, here order is not important. We can consider this as first, second, third like that. Now this, after identifying corner points, where we have to use is in objective function. Objective function means z is equal to 3x plus 4y. Whatever they will give z here, that we have to consider here. In that only we have to substitute. So as z equal to 3x plus 4y, we have to substitute in the place of x and y. So this will become 0. So this will become 4, 4, 16. This will become 3, 4, 12. So we have to draw the table for corner points. So that's why this method we will call it as corner point method. Now after finding this, we have to identify maximum or minimum value. As the question they asked is based on maximize, we have to identify the maximum value out of this. So maximum value is what? 16. See, after mentioning like that, we have to write it is maximum. So therefore conclusion what you have to write is, therefore maximum value of z is what? Is 16 at 0, 4. That's it. So this is the question you may get for 6 marks. So this is the procedure you have to follow. First give an objective function and constraints you write, and then convert inequality into equation. Through that equation only we will get points. Those points we have to mention here. One is 0, 4, and then 4, 0. That we have to substitute. See, after substituting we have to join those. We get a straight line. From that straight line we have to identify the region, whether it is upper half plane or lower half plane, through checkpoint. So luckily we got checkpoint true. True means towards the checkpoint we have to draw, and then x greater than 0, y greater than 0 is nothing but first quadrant. So in that first quadrant, this is the feasible region we have to identify. So for that feasible region, we have to identify the corner points. Those corner points we have to substitute here in the place of objective function. Then whatever we get maximum, that is the maximum value. If they ask, for example, question is maximum they have asked, so 16 is the answer. if they ask to minimize, the procedure everything is same, but we have to identify the minimum value. What is the minimum value here? So minimum value of z is 0 at 0 comma 0. So that is the conclusion we have to write. Okay.